This is the noise. So the inside impeller is touching the housing, and that's the rattling noise coming from the unit when the heat turns on. The whole draft motor assembly is going bad. This metal scraping is not letting the unit do its job correctly. So this whole assembly, the inside impeller with this motor gets replaced. It's called a draft motor assembly for the heating element. Thank you.